All right, well, I got the heater on and I'm gonna work some more on this again. I'm not gonna lie, I like it in there. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna see if I can't get a little more templating done. That noise in the background is because I guess our little rat was wrong and Pakistani Phil said early spring. I don't think that's happening where I'm at. It's pretty cold, so. All right, well, let's get to it. All right, so starting out with a little trimming of the last piece that I put in, and then I'll figure out what I'm going to do as far as going back and repairing this. It's quite the slow and painful process, but it's getting there. Had some pretty big holes. I've played with my settings, and looks like I'm dialing it in. I got to finish up this edge, and then I can start working on round. So cut it about 1.5 inches up and see if I've got good enough metal here. I can always cut back a little bit more. This feels pretty solid here. Also got this flange along this edge right here that I'm gonna need to replace part of. So I got that little section in, and I was trying to template for this next section right here, and I'm a little frustrated. So I got it templated okay. And I set it in the car, but it seems like the part that's in the car is different. All right, so unfortunately, when I tried to bolt everything up, it wasn't fitting. And I'm close here, but it seems like it takes quite a bit more of a jog than what I'm showing. So I don't know what's off, if it's the... I get the front hole to line up with this second hole right here. So when it seems like it goes way too far in. That passenger side sits up almost, and I want to say it's close to 1/2 inch. I don't know if anybody has, when they put these floors in, I don't know if they took it too far down. I don't know what the measurement is between that cage nut right there and the bottom on anybody else's car. I feel like it is too low, and I may have to trim and come back up, which would suck, but that helps everything to fit. Then I'll go that route. Like I said, it looks like some metal was added in this area, and I don't know if that is needed or if it was just the part that was routed away. But when I tried to bolt it up to the existing holes on the top, that side was up quite a bit, and this side wasn't flush either. Now, I know they move a little bit, but I don't know how much. I might take a little pause on doing the rest of this until I can kind of figure some of that out. All right, so I got a little burnout on trying to get some of this welding and pieces cut and done, so I thought I'd clean up some more on the inside and just get it ready to go, and then I'll concentrate on the sections that need replacing. Obviously, I'm sure you can figure out where part of it is. Looks like I'm running into some leftover pre-lubrication, self-lubrication from the old Triumph. It almost feels like an undercoating, but I don't think it is. I think it's just old grease and dirt. So there we go. Sexy work of car restoration. You know, chime in if you've had the same experience. Okay, so here we are, many hours of cleaning later. Just got the inside taken care of. I still got to do the repairs. Kind of got a good idea of where I need to be. I think I was also thinking, because I was a little dismayed about the whole way it sets inside the car. Got to move forward, so I'm going to get this fixed, and if I need to make changes inside of the flooring, I'll do that when I get to that point. Next, there's going to be some paint. Got to get the heater on over there. Kick a little paint on the inside, and then get back to working on some repairs. Waiting to achieve the proper temp. All right, so a lot of work up until this point. Just, you know, getting all the rust and the scale and the goo and everything off. Looks pretty good. I got the inside cleaned up, which was good. So what I gotta do now is I have to fill in right here where this little piece is missing. This flange right here all the way to the bottom. And then I gotta finish up this piece right here on around this edge. Here's the aftermath of the work that I put in there. Little you know, it's going to be underneath carpet, so I think it'll be fine. And I got the hole repaired right here. So it's you know, coming along. It's a slow process, and I'm getting back into the welding portion of it. I think I'm going to end this video here, and then we'll upload some more when I get some more of these pieces bent and ready to be cut and installed. JP with Max Tr3 Revival saying we'll see you next time.